What is up, guys? It's your boo, it's your bae, it's your girl Jasmine Daisenae, and today I'm doing a get ready with me dental assistant baby hair edge edition. So yeah, we finna get into this. So immediately we look very rough in the morning because we don't wear bonnet and we just got out the shower and just did a little slick back in the shower, no product. So I have a little oil, water, and my round brush, and I'm just brushing all that junk to the back because it gotta go. So next we're gonna take the gorilla glue. The gorilla snot. My bad, my bad. We're gonna take the gorilla snot, not glue, not glue. And we're gonna put that on our hair. It's gonna immediately give us some waves. Watch that, boom. And I'm going to reposition my ponytail because right now it's really loose, real janky. We want a sleek, nice ponytail like this one right here. You see the waves? Like that gorilla snot immediately gives me waves. So we're gonna fix that back hair because it's dry as fuck, and yeah, and the ponytail. The water with the gorilla snot kind of helps my hair bond together. So y'all, 1 second. We getting that Saweetie edge controller. I like it. It works, but that should be making my edges white. Okay, girl, we washing our edges every day, but it really does work. It holds though. So listen to my lecture.
It is filled with insulating oil. The insulating oil surrounds the X-ray tube and it prevents overheating by absorbing the heat created by the production of the X-rays. It gets very, very hot. So heat is.
As y'all can see, the struggle had got real because your girl had put too much edge control on there and it just made my hair stiff as fuck. But we have moved on past that, and look, we are getting somewhere. These aren't the best. I'm still learning how to do them shits, but I'm getting there one way at a time. And the front hair is always like a struggle for me. So it either can go really good or that shit just looks really bad. And as you see right now, your girl is struggling. Like, I don't know what to do. But y'all see at the end, I prevailed. I prevailed. I prevailed. Go ahead, subscribe. Go ahead, subscribe. But we got it, okay? And from there, honestly, I was just like, iffy about it. Y'all see, the edge process is very hard. It's just trial and error and practice, and I like recommend to get a good edge controller. And I don't know, this just be taking practice, y'all. My shit's not going. It's. I feel like they look good. I just feel like, damn, I did not notice it took me that much time to get these hoes like this. Like, I was really rushing this morning, so in my head I thought I did them quick. But now we watching it, I'm like, dang, I kind of did this slow. Anyway, we prevailing. Y'all see us over here. Elevation. Oh, the waves is on swim and then edges. Wow. More lecture, honestly. And y'all, this is what I be doing in the morning. I have to listen to lecture and like, cause we have a quiz or a test every time we go in class. So this is what has to be done. I usually put edge controller on my brows because it works better than any of the brow gel. Anastasia brow gel, cool, but shit, this edge controller worked just as great. Okay. And we're gonna put some mascara on because today I didn't really want to do no makeup. I have to wear a mask and goggles anyway, so I'm gonna show y'all my uniform in my next video. We put our mask on, we good, you know what I'm saying? Now y'all probably don't know what I'm saying, but oh, y'all probably do know what I'm saying about the mask, and that's that Jasmine Daisenae, you know what I'm saying, that lip gloss. We thought we was gonna wear that purse, and don't mind all my gym stuff because this is my book bag slash gym bag, so yeah, we just be alternating stuff. And I'm just showing y'all, I'm gonna switch out from that Von Dutch purse to this Michael Kors wristlet because I just didn't feel like having that purse carrying it around. So we're just getting everything out, getting our essentials. We need them AirPods. I need my 2 lip glosses, hand sanitizer, that keys. Y'all heard that new Shasti? Okay, I'm done. I'm done. I know y'all like done with me in this video, but this is the ending result. I have to have my green tea in the morning, sunglasses, mask, wristlet, and we gone, y'all. Oh, and don't forget that water. We need that agua. Okay? Peace.